Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. Today guys, I continue. Naghahanap kami pa ng makina talaga. Naghanap na kami, nag-ikot, nahilo na ako sa kaikot-ikot guys. Sana itong narating namin. Kasi nag-ano kami ng ano ba, mapa. Ko. Yung driver namin naghanap pa. Sana andyan na ang sewer machine. Ikot tayo ulit.
Oo. Kung sino kung pwede sumalubog din. Pero pwede sila sumalubog.
Ako. Yung machine na yan na, nahilo na tayo sa kaikot-ikot nito. Kahapon pa tayo kaikot-ikot ng oh my God. Ito oh, mayroon dito din oh. Oh, yan oh. Machine. Ano sa Mananayan oh, dami oh.
Sarado.
Oh, sirado lang. Ayun na. Natagpuan na namin ang aming hinahanap. Kahit saan na nakarating.
Ikot lang ako. Balik tayo doon sa ano.
Dito na kami guys. Ganda namin. Aming hinahanap na sewer. Kahapon pa kami hanap ng sewer guys. Sana makita na namin. Dito na kami. Hindi ko alam kung saan na to. Dito banda. Malalaki na yung building dito. The first time of my life nakapunta ko dito. Sabagay, hindi naman kami nakakalabas na makapasyal dito kung wala kang kailangan. Kung yung doon ka lang nakapasyal pag may pupuntahan ka. Pero kung dito wala mo. Wala. Lalayo na itong ano dito guys eh. Hindi ko alam kung anong mall na to. Yung driver namin ang nakaalam. Ayan guys, tingnan natin. Ayan na guys oh. Ayan. Ayan na. Ito na pala siya. Ayan na. Singer. Ayan, singer. Singer na, ayan na. Ayan na guys, kompleto dito guys. 850? Depende sa ano.
Singer. This also singer. Janum.
Ayan guys, ito na guys. Nakita na rin namin.
Kung sabi mo si madam,
You talk my madam?
you speak Arabic?
Yes.
Ayan din guys. Janom. Ayan, dami dito. Ito ganda to kasi may jockey. Jockey, may sukatan siya oh. Ito ganda to. Ayan. Sus, ang hirap magsuot-suot ng ano nito.
For house.
Yeah, for house only. Simple, cut in the length.
Yes.
Ayan. Everything is her. Hello, madam.
Black.
Ito, magkano to?
Oh, ito. Ba ito yung
Oo, yan. Oo, yan. Yan ang aging. Ito yung aging.
ano yung...
Hiwalay kasi yung aging. Walang, ito aging din to eh.
Oh, yeah.
Kailangan aging. Aging lang siya. Hindi siya pwede matahian.
Dapat video mo
Iyo.
yan. Pakita mo yung mata.
Oo.
market Singapore, market UK, market Genome, Vietnam, Thailand, facing.
Ayun na guys, nakita na namin yung aming hinahanap dito. Nahilo na kami sa kakaikot-ikot. Okay guys, bye-bye. Thank you for watching. Kasi ano yun muna namin, kausapin namin kung magkano. At saka tingnan ko yung kung paano. Magpaturo ko kung paano. Okay guys, God bless you all. This one.
Yeah.
Singer simple to 3 to. How to do how.
Very easy.
Nag-YouTube di. Oo. Check. Ilapag lang siya sa ano? Lamisa. Saan lamisa doon? Wala man tayo lamisang maliit. Ani kalabog? Piras? Ayan, paturo tayo, paano. Meron sila kaya sinuli dito din? Ay, meron din silang sinuli do? Yellow, blue, black, white. O tsaka yung gunting din daw, gunting. Nga pang tabas. Yeah, may din, bibili din tayo pala ng... Oo. O yung nga. Yan, bibili tayo ng gunting. Ayan, yung pangtabas talaga daw. Saka sinulid.
Video mo. Abang tuturo sa'yo. Video mo.
Oo.
Kabilo ka.
Oo. Very good, smell. Paturo tayo guys kung paano gamitin yan. Kasi malayo-layo dito papalit natin ng makina.
This is the accessory.
Yeah. And then will not come out. Okay.
Winding the bobbin.
Yeah, the bobbin, yeah.
Yes.
Put it here.
Yeah.
Then go first put here. Okay.
Yeah.
Then see,
Yeah.
just like this.
See. Yeah. And then put there.
Yeah.
Lock.
Okay.
Yeah. Remove
This
remove from there.
First one.
Okay. And this
Go
one.
there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. And
Bring up. Put
Yeah.
inside the.
there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Then go to
ganun lang.
needle.
Ay, ganun lang siya pala. Oo, dito.
Just like this.
Yeah. Ay, ito, tipot there.
Yeah.
Your eyes very good.
Your eyes is good, ha? For me, I cannot see.
Just lucky.
Just lucky.
Bring the
Sinulid. Oh, ganun lang. Oh, ganun lang
balance
siya.
out, cut here.
Cut here. So,
Yes.
ay,
Dito.
Yeah.
This is the stitch length. Size
Yeah.
of the stitch length. Big or
Yeah.
small?
Yeah.
Big or small? Okay.
Small, yeah.
This one stitch selector.
Yeah.
If you can in design, just bring the straight.
Yeah, it's like this
This for reverse and forward.
for the lock.
Yeah.
Lock.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This one for tension the thread.
Maybe
Sometimes.
not good.
Not good.
Big one, small one, sa?
No. Big one, small one, this one.
This one.
Maybe coming from loose. down, making-
This one.
Minimum standard, the number 4 is enough. Same like this thread.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Now see. Now I put the basic straight one.
Yeah, basic, yeah, straight one.
No small one.
Yeah.
So 2.
Little big, yeah.
3.
Yung pala yung ano eh.
Number four
Number
is
4 is good.
Gap nila.
Last one.
Yeah, the good.
Gap
Lock,
nila.
lock. Okay. Yeah, this number 4 is
Number
okay.
4. Yeah.
But big, it's so big, number 4. Number 3. Yeah, ito number 3. Very easy. No need to use the scissor, huh?
No
Because
need.
easy
Yes,
to
yes,
there.
yes.
To cut
And
hair.
also see, just put here. So
Yeah.
zigzag.
Yeah, zigzag, yeah.
Kailangan ng ano,
Hindi na kailangan yung edging.
Same purpose. Dito.
Yeah, no need to edging, no? Okay.
And if you can any design, see now say put here.
Yeah,
This portion 3 size of the design.
yeah,
First one, second one,
Third one.
Now first one this.
yeah.
This design also making the darning stitch.
Yeah.
Darning stitch.
Yeah.
You know this darning stitch. So maybe some cloth like this.
Yeah, you have a for the
Filling.
button.
No.
May butas. You have hole. Yeah, you have.
Same, put the thread.
Yeah,
And also
make it.
filling the portion.
Okay. Okay.
pala yun.
Same like this for you.
Yeah.
See, filling.
Yeah, this one. Very good, ah. This one, sir?
Yes.
This one.
Yeah, first the black one.
Yeah, the black one. Yeah.
If you need second one,
Yeah.
bring the yes one. So she match the color. See?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ayun na, matututunan mo na yan.
Oh. Oo. Oo nga. Okay. Kuha na namin yung ano. Pag-aralan na lang namin. I teach you there in the house if I will do clothes or something.
Yes. The boiling only on the portion here.
Hair only.
Yeah,
In the oil.
monthly one time say no.
Only one time.
Yeah, one time is enough.
Anyways,
No need.
Because every day, not every day,
No need.
every time to...
No need. If you can daily you use the machine, make the one, weekly one time.
Yeah.
Say no.
Ayan na.
Huwag ka maintenance here. Paper
Yes,
bill
yes,
na
yes.
every.
Three mechanics.
Okay guys, ayan na. Nakaturo na tayo sa... Okay na.
Okay. Maganda.
Maganda. Okay. I buy scissor. Scissor.
You put inside?
Yeah.
And thread also. You have any kind of one set of thread? All you have color?
Hindi yung cover niya. Hindi mo gagamit.
Oo. Ang sarap ng ano dito, oh. Hangin. Ayan ang mga gunting, oh. Gunting. This one? I need this one? For this? And needles also. For this one, ha? Yung extra.
Ano ba? Tingin na ako.
Yung ganito. Oh. Kasi ito mabilis lang to ay hindi man yan.
Ano, pang edging, ano yan eh, ibang...
Ito yata.
Ano mo na lang siya kung ano magandang look. Kasi may mga
What? Go this one?
This one is
Okay.
This one good one.
yes.
Yeah.
And then... Needle.
Needle, take this one.
Needle.
Yeah.
This this for special needle. For
Yeah.
stretch cloth.
Yeah.
Chiffon stretch.
Okay.
Stretch. Number 11.
Number 11, yeah.
This also take more.
Okay.
Okay.
Ano pa? Wala.
Wala na. Karas. How much all? Guys, tapos na tayo. At saka ito na yung ating cartoon. Inshallah, matuto tayo dito pag mananahi. Magiging sastri na tayo. Di na tayo katulong. Mananahi na. Mananahi pa, yaya pa na. Lahat na lang. Sige guys, bye-bye. Thank you for watching.